Kia ora koutou. We've recently before done the huria ki te tauira from a hautau, so turning a fraction into a decimal. So here I've exampled how I've shown you how to do it with 10 and showing that this sign here is the wehe sign, which is divided by 10. So rewriting that will be 10, wehe 10, ka te tauira 1.0. So by going 10 divided by 10, it equals 1.0. Here I have another example. 5 divided by 10 equals 0.5. So 5, wehe 10, ka 0.5. Now let's have a look at that in a picture form. We have 10 pieces of pizza, and if we said 10 divided by 10 equals 1.0. So if 10 divided by 10 equals 1.0, therefore 1.0 also is equal to one whole pizza. So, like we have gone before, if we did 1 divided by 2, it would equal 0.5. And therefore, 0.5, if this was one whole pizza, it would, and we now have eaten this is one whole pie, and we've eaten half of it, then obviously there's a half left. So if this was 1.0, and we halved 1.0, we get 0.5, because that is the half of 1.0. So here we have the relationship again. We have another picture here where we have one chocolate bar. One is coloured in, which means it is 1/10. So therefore, to find the tauira, we've said that 1 divided by 10 equals 0.1. So therefore, when you see a chocolate bar or a picture where it is 1/10, it is also equal to 0.1. So if we go back to this chart here, we have 1/2, and it says here, when we switch it to a tauira, it's 0.5. And that's simply done by going 1 divided by 2. 1, wehe 2, ka puta atu ko te tauira, or 0.5. So here again is the picture form. We have 10 pieces of pizza to start with. 1 pizza is eaten, so there's 9 pizzas left. So 9 out of 10 pizzas are left. Therefore, if we went 9, wehe 10 equals 0.9. So therefore, if you had 9 pizzas, if you had 10 pizzas to start with and you ate 9, which is the turunga, and because there was 10 pizzas, this is the turaro, and by dividing 9 divided by 10 equals 0.9. So therefore, 9/10 is the same as the tauira, 0.9. If you have any more trouble identifying the difference between a hautau, the relationship between a hautau and tauira, please vid back me a message on Classroom. Kia ora.